Okay, we pulled the frame out. This is going to be the last time it comes out. Went ahead and we welded these pieces I showed you a few months ago. We welded those on. We just had them tacked. Did both sides. It come out really good. Nice outriggers, like I was telling you guys whenever, I think it was the first or second thing I made. They don't make them anymore. We made our own. We put them on there. This is where we had to make the frame repair, so I had to weld the this one back on, the support for the body, and to weld the emergency brake cable brace back on. I don't know if we're going to use them or not, but might as well be there. And it was a lot easier to, we had this tacked last night, the bar, but we went ahead and we welded that in, the shock mount bar. So we got that going for us. So I'm going to leave it out tonight, and I'm going to scrub up the frame tomorrow and put a coat of paint on it, and you know, just chase any little surface rust spots or anything I find, and just get it painted up nice and neat, and we'll get ready to put it back in. We got 4 spots on the body that we couldn't get to when the frame was in there, and that was underneath here and underneath that support right there. So we'll get those welded up tomorrow. And I got 2 spots on the back tubs. It was the same situation. The frame rails were in the way, so we'll get those. They're right there. Yeah, a little spot right there. We got that little run of about a foot on both sides, and we got to get those welded up. And then we're going to clean everything real good. I'm going to throw a coat of paint under here, just spray paint, you know, just matte black. Just spray it all up. This is only that primer on the sheet metal when they send it, so it don't rust when they're sending it. So we'll put a coat of matte black on there, and that'll be good enough. And that's what I got. So hopefully by tomorrow or Monday I'll have the frame married back to the body, and then I'll take the wooden rafters down, and it'll be under its own weight for the first time in over a year. Kind of excited about that. And then we can start looking at getting our outside sheet metal and stuff whenever it's sitting down, and we'll take it from there. But that's what I got for you guys right now. And, I'll check in with you tomorrow and let you know what's going on.